Mi nome Jorgen Hohen, and this is Later Hosen Salesforce. Spanglish tutorial, configuration in Salesforce, and list of view. It's my first try on a Spanglish video. So here we go. This is Salesforce, and you can have a list view in anything here. You can have a list view in all open leads. Is whatever you want. A key to government. This to government. It changes the status permanently. This to see. I still can have a list. But it's much more. Yes, more efficient. What a pain. Here, edit. Well, Kanban tasks. Kanban. So you go back to here, table, Kanban by status. In progress, completed. But report, filter is if parent and closed equals false. So it has to be open. So if later hosts in Salesforce, email in Espanol, subscribe for new tutorials. We're good. Over and out. Ciao.